morning, second graders. I hope you had a great weekend. It was a beautiful weekend. I hope you got outside a lot throughout the weekend. Today is Monday, April 27th, and today we will actually be working on math facts, not fractions, on math facts. We are going to go ahead and start extra math. So I would like you to click on this link, and then I'm going to walk you through how to do it. You are going to type your first name in. If you are Lily or an Austin or a Charlotte, you need to type your first name with a capital letter, a space, and the first initial of your last name plus the period, since there are multiples of each of you. Okay, and then it's going to ask you for your 4-digit PIN. That would be your birthday. So example, if your birthday is June 21st, June is January, February, March, April, May, June, the 6th month of the year. So I would do 06, and if my birthday is 21st, 0621. Or if my birthday is August 5th, I would do January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. It's the 8th month, so 0805 since it's the 5th. Or if my birthday is January 21st, January is the 1st month, so I would do 0121 would be my PIN. So your PIN is your birthday, your month, and the year. Okay. You're also going to need Mrs. Meddart's email here, meddartg@isd112.org. So the information you need to get logged in is all right here. The first time you log in, you'll need that information, and then it will automatically save for you. So I want you to go ahead and click on Extra Math. Screen pops up. So it should be in the student because you are a student. And then here it says parent or teacher email. This is where if you go back to the main screen, you can go ahead and just highlight all that. Hit Control-C, or you'll have to type it all out. And then go back here, make sure it's linked in here, and then hit Control-V. And Mrs. Meddart's email will pop down. If you can't do that, then you'll have to type in meddartg@isd112.org. Here is where you type in your first name. I'm going to use my daughter as an example. So Eliana. Her birthday is February 26th. So January, February. She's the 2nd month, but I need 2 numbers for the month. So I have 0226. And then I want to make sure it says remember me. So I don't need to type Mrs. Meddart's email in every time I want to sign in. Then it's going to go, turn this volume off.
I'm going to help.
It's going to go to this screen, this man talking, and then you are going to practice your facts. It's going to give you an assessment. He's going to see where he should place you. So I want you to do your best to do your math facts, and I'll show you an example of what it will look like. So here's my placement quiz. So it'll place me in the spot that I need to be. 1 plus 0. I want to go as fast as I can so I get placed where I would be. Okay. This will be practice for our math facts. I'm going to close out of here a second. For your math facts, just a quick practice. It will be on the Google Slides for math from here on out. So it's an optional in the future. Today I want you to go ahead and do the placement test, but it will be an optional. So it'll practice your addition and your subtraction first so you can get them and you can get them quick. It's timing you, so don't sit there and go, la la la, oh, 2 plus 3 is, because it wants to know your focus, your attention, how fast you can go, okay? Then once you master those, because you need to have those mastered before you go on to 3rd grade, it will push you to then multiplication and then even division if you get to it. But right now it just wants you to see how fast you can go for your addition and subtraction. Okay, so that's what I want you to do today, the extra math. And then optional are some multiplication games from last week if you would like to do that. That is all Mrs. Meddart has for you for math today. So if you want to, after the placement quiz, if you want to log back in and do a round, you are more than welcome to log back in and do a round. Or you can log into IXL and practice those multiplications from last week. So that would be if I scroll back to the last ones, you can do Y10 and Y11 again. Make sure you have your sheet of paper out so you can practice your count bys. Okay, so today you are doing extra math and the multiplication games if you would like. Have fun, and I will see most of you tomorrow.